Welcome to FS Mart. Hello friends. How are you all? Hope all you are having fun. First of all, thank you very much for all of you the love. Today, we are unique for all of your favorite gadget. Bring your interest, it's going to be a lot of fun. The gadget is very entertaining gadget is from Amazon. For most children. Because to distract children from mobile phone. After a lot of searching, you can find a good gadget. Links in description. Stay tuned till the end. Let's start our videos. Number 8. Holy Stone Mini Drone for Kids. And beginners are Nano Quadcopter Indoor Small Helicopter Plane with Auto Hovering, 3D Flip, Headless Mode and 3 batteries. Great gift toy for boys and girls, blue. Number 7. Power Trick Liquid Motion Bubbler, Liquid Sensory Toy Timer Ocon. And Relaxing Fidget Desk Toy helps with anxiety, autism, ADHD blue. Number 6. Newton's Cradle Balance Balls, Swinging Balls with Black Base. Fun Science Physics Learning Accessories, Calm Down Fidgets Kit, Desk Toys for Stress Relief. Office Home Decoration Black. Number 5. Tiny Acrylic Suncatcher Window Hangings. Transparent Cardinal Birds on Branch. With metal chain for window, wall ornamented party birthday bird lovers gift for grandma and mom. Number 4. Hypergo H16BM Brushless 42 mph Fast RC Cars for Adults. 1/16th Hobby Off-Road RC Truck. RTR Remote Control Car to buy 2S LiPo and 1x3S LiPo battery and 3S charging cable included. Number 3. The Pointer Life LED Mask. With rechargeable Bluetooth-compatible app control, customizable shining mask. Lighted face transforming mask, unisex child. Number 2.